Hello friends, welcome to Pratidat Learning. In today's session, we will see how to convert the sentences of word problems into equations. Before going ahead, please do like, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon. First, the sum of a certain number and 3. First of all, read the sentence carefully and understand the meaning of the sentence. Now let's try to summarize the sentence. The sum of a certain number and 3. Here we have the words like sum and a certain number, and the number is 3. Here we have a mathematical operator, sum. That is addition. A certain number meaning an unknown. That is variable. Consider it as an x. Now the number 3 is a constant. Therefore, the part of the equation created from the sentence is x plus 3. Next example. Second, difference obtained by subtracting 11 from another number. Let's try to summarize the sentence. The difference obtained by subtracting 11. Here we are getting a difference. Therefore, we will get minus 11. Now we are subtracting from another number. Focus on another number. That is unknown number x variable. So the required letters from the sentence are x minus 11. Therefore, the part of the equation is x minus 11. Third, the product of 15 and another number. Let's summarize the sentence. Here, product means multiplication. The constant is 15 and another number is unknown. That is variable x. Therefore, the terms are 15 and x and the mathematical operation is multiplication. So, the letter is 15x. Therefore, the part of the equation is 15x. In this way, we can identify and create parts of the equation. Thank you.